We started Good Driver Mutuality to help good drivers save money with our collision and comprehensive alternative. If you're a driver, you've probably noticed that car insurance is getting more and more expensive every single year. In 2024 alone, premiums jumped an average of 24%, and in California, they're expected to surge by a staggering 54% in 2025. For many people, auto insurance is now eating up around 8 to 10% of their annual income. The craziest part is, when you look into the actual facts, you see that 94% of people never even file a single collision and comprehensive claim each year. It's no surprise that most people feel completely trapped in a system where they feel forced to pay more and more money each year on something that they rarely actually use. That in its core is why we created Good Driver Mutuality, to give responsible drivers a smarter, fairer way to protect themselves while still saving money. Good Driver Mutuality, or GDM, is a cutting-edge tech company based in Silicon Valley and backed by the legendary venture capital firms like Ribbit Capital and Head of Sophia. These are the same investors behind massive successes like Spotify, Robinhood, Credit Karma, and even Uber. Before we get too far into GDM's unique saving mechanisms, let's go over the very basics of auto insurance. Full coverage auto insurance is largely made up of three parts. First, you have the liability. Liability is the legally mandated part that you must have to drive a car. This is the part that covers costs of damage or injuries you cause to others in an accident. Then there's the collision and the comprehensive portion. This is optional if you fully own your car outright, and it covers damage to your own car, whether it's from an accident or something else like hail, a theft, a hit and run, or even vandalism. It's important to remember that GDM is not an alternative to liability insurance, and all of our members must keep their legally mandated liability insurance, and if they own their car outright and choose to, they can directly drop their collision and comprehensive from their traditional automotive insurance company and join GDM as their alternative to collision and comprehensive. GDM is not an insurance product, but operates more similarly to mutual aid, where members come together to support one another and save money by sharing the cost of unexpected accidents together. Now, let's go over the unique mechanisms that allow you to save with GDM. So let's say you're paying $1,000 every 6 months for collision and comprehensive coverage through your traditional insurance company. If you don't have any accidents during this time, whether you paid monthly or all